Mic test. Mic test. Mic test. 1, 2, 3. Mic test. Let me know if you guys can hear me properly. Is it all good? All right. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right, guys. How's it going, everybody? How's your day, everyone? What's up, man? Soul and Vicious, what's up? Jessica Corey, what now? Want? What's up? FOF, Real Torn. Hello. Welcome back, guys. Great to see you. Great to see you guys back again. All right, so let's take a look and see what's happening here in the market today. Do we have any news that came out this morning, guys? Do you have any news that came out this morning? Walmart will be lowering prices by a lot. Walmart will be dropping prices. Okay. I mean, I don't understand. How can a president of a country dictate whether we increase a price by 50% or not? We drop it down. Incredible. All right, guys. I'm gonna try to see if I can get to my trading view. Let's take a look and see, guys. The Bitcoin. Oh, did the Bitcoin actually get a bounce? I can't even see my Bitcoin, guys. 1 second. Where's the Bitcoin? All right, there you go. All right, so the Bitcoin actually got a bounce, hey? 1.5% today. Bitcoin got a strong bounce off that low. What a bounce on Tesla, guys. Up into the 420 Tesla, guys. Almost 7% bounce. What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome back, guys. Andre, what's up? Kid Poker, what is going on? Raj Tis in the house. Hot Cedar. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Lightning Tiger Gaming, what's up? What no want? What no want? Jessica Curry, what's up, guys? All right, let's try to have some fun. I mean, I'm gonna try my level best to have as much as I possibly could. Try to have fun tonight. So 1 second. Oh, am I missing anything here? Bowser, what's going on, man? How's your day? Daddy 123 in the house. Casino, what's up? I think this morning is probably the first time ever. I missed trades. across all my accounts. I didn't trade a single account on my coin tower. Oh, I lied. Only thing I did was one trade on my funded next account, and I ended up blowing. So that's one single account that I traded today. And on top of that, there's two trades. One was my funded next funded account, and one was the Legend Cup. And I did all of these trades as when the market was actually chopping, because it's a bit of a difference in the time zone, right? So I kind of started trading at midnight, which would be morning in morning, right? So yeah. So as soon as the New York cash opened, I wasn't there because it was kind of like midnight here. So I kind of missed out on that trade. So I started trading as when the market started to chop, and then I got cooked. Absolutely cooked. So I'm coming here in tonight, and I'm going to be looking to see if I can actually trade, and I'm going to look to see if I can finish this thing off. We'll try to see if we can actually get this thing going with the Legend Cup, and then we'll try to see if we can also trade something else. But so by the way, guys, the legacy, the 250 accounts ends today, just so you know. No, it's definitely not easy. Yeah, I agree. Okay, so how many more minutes do we have? We got 4 more minutes to go, guys. 1 second. Spain won. Really nice. Bill back in the house. What's up, man? Sergey me. What's up, guys? Okay. Yes, so I've got to buy some accounts with listed. I did not really get a chance to do that. I'll probably end up doing that tonight. Once the stream is over. I'm just really not sure what to get though. Should we actually go with the? It's 180 bucks, but it's only on one account though. I mean, if it's going to be a lot cheaper, from many accounts, it would have been a lot better. But it's only one account, right? What's up, That with no job? What's going on? All right. Do we have how many moments do we have here? What are we kind of leaning? I'm leaning more downside here today. Man, I wish I was able to trade in the morning, guys. I wish I did. All right, so we gear 20. We got dipped underneath the 30K. That's where we at right now. So Yes, trade day code Tiger is active. That's right. But I think you're gonna have to put caps TIGER. All right. Banu 251. What do you mean? What do you mean by Apex going Banu? All right, guys. All right, guys. The market is open.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm back. What's up, guys? Guys, how was everybody do today? Did y'all have a great day this morning? Did y'all have a great day? What is up, guys? What is up, man? Glad to see you guys back, man. I am so happy to see you guys again. Wow. I never thought I was gonna able to see you guys ever again. Day's not over. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right, so what am I looking at? I'm looking for a pullback into the 930s, guys. That's my idea. Looking for a pullback into the 930s. Okay. 930 pullback into, and see how this thing kind of plays out. If I'm wrong, I'm just gonna still try to hold this trade. But I'd like to take one off though. I don't think I can do more than
Order
two.
rejected.
That's the max. So look for that little pullback here, back into the 930s. If we end up getting a bounce though, I probably would try to just exit my trade into the 30,000. I'm gonna give myself a lot of room here. I've got too many contracts here trading. Yes, I am porting this account because this is the tournament account, and I kind of destroyed myself midday in the morning. So I'm gonna try to see if I can actually trade this account, see if I can get something going. It does kind of feel like, it's trying to get a little balance, but let's see, guys. Never know. It looks bouncy, right? Yeah. We'll see. We still have a good chance of a pullback too, so not gonna discount that for sure. I would just wish I got into this trade at a better position. The entry was just horrible. I thought we were gonna get a little extended move to the downside, so I kind of went in, but looks like we ended up getting a bounce instead. So all right, guys, welcome everybody. Welcome, guys. Kid Poker in the house. What's up, man? How's your day? Did you get your payout with Apex? Let's go, guys. Let's go, man. ASI Fly, what's up, man? Is that blue line of support? What do you mean? I'm not sure. I missed you guys, man. I missed you. All right, so you get a little pullback here. I'd like to see a little bit of a deeper pullback if I can. Back into the 930s, guys. I'm not sure if we're gonna get all the way down there, but I'm gonna have to take my chances here, guys. We don't have time. We do not have the time. God, man, I wish my entry was pretty good. Look at my entry, horrible. Horrible entry. How's your day, Mac Lovin? What's up, brother, man? Welcome back. Great to see you. All right, looks like a little pullback here. Man, we went down all the way $1,000 and kind of pulled back. Ended up pulling back here, but guys, 935. I'm gonna try to see if I can take one off the table. If I can, possibly here at this level, guys. What a shame, guys. I was down $1,000 and I'm only up like 60 bucks. Trying to take the profits off the table right now. One contract. Shame on you, StockTiger. Shame on you. You might as well just hold it, StockTiger. What are you doing? Looks like a nice little support area here, guys. Just not liking this area. The way it's kind of holding. You guys see, as soon as I try to get out of this trade, you see what this market's gonna do. Oh, come on. Don't you guys think we're gonna pull back here on this market? Or maybe not. Alright guys, I'm gonna let me just get out of this trade and kind of reset. Okay, because this is no good. I don't like this at all. I don't think this is what this market is gonna try to do here. Try to get a balance and do this. I just don't see that right now. I mean, I could be wrong, but I mean, we had a chance to get above the VWAP. We ended up getting rejection off that level, so I'm kind of thinking we end up pulling back down. So I'm gonna look to try to short this market on that little pop that we have and see how it kind of plays out, guys. There we go, guys. We're getting a little bounce. Getting a little bounce. All right, that's what I'm gonna try to do here, guys. I'm gonna try to short this market right on that little pop into the 970s. KazooMax, what's going on, man? How's your day? Andy, what's up? It's that fly. Yeah, I know. Nice out, hey. Sneaky StockTiger. Let's go. All right, guys. I'm definitely gonna have to have a good day. I'm definitely gonna have to have a good day, guys. Pray for StockTiger. Man, I should have traded my trade day, my Tradify account that was at the verge of getting a payout today. If I ended up trading that, I obviously did not do that, right? So, I kind of hit myself, but what's up, guys? Everybody, welcome, man. You're out of sync. Are you a Christian? That's right, I am. Ruwa Trades, what's up, man? Kellyanne cooked you? I think so, man. I think so. I really do. But hey, we still have to tomorrow, so we'll see how it goes. Wow, look at the bounce in the market, guys. The market trying to get a little bounce. I wonder where it's gonna try to get a bounce into. Into the 30K. Is it what this market's trying to do? What's up, Marino? going on, guys? You're down into the 964. Only goes up no matter what. I guess that's what it's kind of looking like. But we are getting dips, but the dips are being bought at the moment, so dips are being bought. Do we get a break out of this? I mean, I'm starting to kind of wonder where it's gonna go. Where's the direction? Where's the overall direction? Bowser, tell me, where's this market gonna go? Looks like we had 230 points. New York, the consolidation, man. I wish I traded this morning, early in the morning. Only started trading right at the time when the market was absolutely just chopping, and of course I ended up getting destroyed. Okay, so what the hell is going on right now? Into the 960s, guys. I'm just trying to figure out. So far, it's kind of chopping here in a very tight range. We got a little bounce off that little low there, so. Oh, do we have any earnings come out? We go back to 2 p.m. open and 4 hour at some point tonight. 2 p.m. open? We see in the market trying to get a little bounce attempt. Okay, 1 second. Oh, Samsung earnings. Well, I'm not really having. Well, I think they had a pretty good earnings in my opinion, but I could be wrong though. Canada picks Germans firm for new submarine. I know they lost out. Korea lost out on that competition. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to long here, one contract. Try to see if I can actually oh my god. Really? Well, it's not moving at all at the moment, guys. Status quo at the moment, so take a look at the ES here for a second. Look at the crude oil as well. ES trying to get a balance. ES looking pretty bullish, by the way. Definitely looking a lot more bullish than NQ. All right. Yeah, I think Tokyo's gonna start to move again today for sure. 100%, I agree. I wonder where it's gonna go though. What's the overall direction? You know what I mean? Do we try to do something like this? You know what I mean? Eventually we try to do something like that here tonight. Ultimately try to get back into 30k, 30,100 area. Maybe I should try to long here off the VWAP. We kind of respected that level quite a few times already today. 1, 2, 3, 4 times, guys. 4 attempts to try to break underneath that VWAP. We just really could not do that today. So All right. So in the meantime, guys, I'll let's keep an eye on this market. I'm gonna have to stay just a little patient here. Come in tonight. What is up, man? Black Mamba in the house. What's up? How's your day go? Yes, you're 30,240 this night. Wow, look at that bounce, guys. That was the kind of a bounce I was looking for, but of course, I missed out on the trade. Well, I hope you guys caught that move to the upside, guys. What? Netflix ended up pulling back? Really? Hold on one second. I've got to check Netflix, guys. I'm the biggest shareholder of Netflix right now. That can be true. Oh, Netflix down. Oh, 2%, guys. Netflix down 2%. So it's still at 76 bucks. I'm okay with that. I can live with that for sure. 1,000 points. I wanted to two runner. Nice. Black Mamba, good job, man. Time to buy more Netflix? Yeah. Time to buy more Netflix. Okay, so it looks like we're trying to get a little bounce, guys. I kind of like what I see so far. Right, just kind of feel like, we still have some more room to the upside, at least back into 30K. And that's about 30 points away from where we are now, so I'm going to try to long here on a little pullback. I hope this isn't going to be a nasty rejection here. All right, I might as well try to go with micro contracts. I'll try micro contracts.
Order filled.
I want to try to scale into my trade, get a better average. Okay, so we'll start off with 2. And then I'm going to be looking for that little pullback. And in that pullback, we bought right into the VWAP. 468. So once they pierce through this 975, we have a good chance of a bounce into 30K. We have a good chance of bouncing to this level, right? So I'm going to be looking at that and see how it kind of goes. You passed your 50K pro listed in one day. Damn you, man. Look at you, bro. Crazy stuff. All right, is this market actually going to go without me now all throughout the night? Really good that I got out of that short position, guys. I would have been absolutely destroyed in this one. Okay, so why am I not going aggressive? Because I'm looking for just a little pullback here down into the 960s in order to go long, right? All right, there we go, guys. A little pullback here. Oh my god, it still did not get filled. Incredible. Tiger, please go long so that we can short. All right, I am gonna go long. Joshua Him, what's up, man? What market is this, please? This market is market. Globex ASIA. All right. Looks like this market may try to just keep going without a pullback here. I'm trading micro NQ. I wonder if I want to kind of wait for a pullback. I may have to just go a little more aggressively here into this trade, maybe.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, what a pullback here, guys. What a pullback, man. This is what it's really good. Globex is really amazing. Sometimes they love doing stuff like this. Incredible. All right, so pull back into the 965 here. Crazy stuff. Well, not down as much, but I mean, still. We got rejection off that 970 area. So you're right into the VWAP. And this is going to be very important, guys. If we can't hold this, we end up pulling back all the way down. So
order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
yeah, so we are right into the VWAP here. I'm a little skeptical now that you're kind of, we ended up pulling back here from the 974. Makes me feel a little skeptical on where this market's gonna go here tonight, guys. This could be lower high to me. So I'm actually thinking about trying to get out of this trade on the little pop if we get. Or I guess this market's not going to give us that little bounce because I'm already in this trade, so it's gonna try to suck me out as much as possibly could. Oh my god, incredible. This could be a rejection of that. You know, I mean, the VWAP may be starting to act as a resistance for us. That's what the little problem is. And this could just literally keep going here. And we actually did ended up acting as a resistance, right? The VWAP. Fuck. I fucking hate this, man, sometimes. And I don't have any room
Order
to add
rejected.
anything anymore. Incredible.
Order
Really
rejected.
annoying, guys. Really annoying.
Order rejected.
God. We're pretty overextended. If we can hold this, then I think we see a little bounce, but I mean... Guys, I bought a new I bought a keyboard. So I'm gonna be using that. And I ordered some monitor too, so I'm gonna have that too. Hopefully hopefully by tomorrow I'll get those new keyboards. Sorry, the new monitors. Beautiful weather outside. Lots of rain. I wonder where the skies are because it's all cloudy. The overall direction still maybe still looking to see if we try to get a bounce into 30k. I think that's really what it's trying to do. I think 30K is where it's trying to get to. I think maybe. We'll see. I mean, so far we got a nice little bounce off that 940, so I'm just gonna keep holding. I'm just gonna keep holding. What I may try to do is try to take five contracts off the table on that little bounce we get into the 970s back again. If we end up pulling back and try to retest the low, well, I don't know. I don't want to think about that at the moment. I really don't want to think about that at the moment. Bad entry again, guys. Bad entry. Back-to-back bad entries, guys. This is no bueno. I better get my stuff together. Are we going to end up pulling back? We could. There we go, guys. We're getting a little pullback here. Rejection off at 960s, man. We just could not get above that. And am I gonna get freaked out? No. Just gonna try to hold and see what happens. Oh, you went for the zero count on alpha, man. This DLS on alphas are not good. Yeah, I think what I'm gonna have to try to do is maybe once we get a pop, probably try to get out of this trade and just kind of reset myself and look for those levels and try to place my limit orders accordingly. Right now, I kind of feel like I'm all over the place at the moment, so. Kazumax, you hate this market? What do you mean you hate this market? You mean Asia or in general this market? That's right, land of nowhere. That's really what it is. Oh, I have the entire 21K, and I didn't realize that we had the entire drawdowns 21K. That's the whole drawdown. I only realized that this morning. Incredible. Way too much inflation. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's right. ASAP Play is actually right about that. Because Zubek's worried too much. Just trade what we have in front of us. I think that's probably the best way to kind of approach this. What a horrible market, guys. What a horrible market. Incredible. I may have to trade tomorrow morning. New York session. I didn't get a chance to do that this morning. I started trading on the chop. Incredible. So pissed. Well, no, I need a solid bounce. I can't live with 20 points bounce in the market, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, guys. Thank you to all of you for being here. And if you guys want to take a few seconds to smack the like, everybody, I would really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Ultimately, I think we may try to retest the 30k. So I'm gonna really try to see if I can hold on to this trade and see if I can push this thing into the 30k, guys. That's where maybe this is trying to get to. And so with that in mind, I think that's gonna be nice if we can actually hold on to this trade for a little longer. I think, right, and see what happens there, guys. Without you, I mean, who knows? We could end up just chopping here in the range, end up giving us that little pullback, bounce, pullback, bounce, pullback, bounce, and it's just going nowhere. Absolutely. Yeah, I mean, I only had a chance to trade on the slow market. I think that's really the problem right now. I've gotta be able. I've gotta trade the morning. I'm gonna try to do that tomorrow morning. Tomorrow could be the day to do it. All right, so 1 second. Wow, what a chop, man. What an incredible chop, guys. There's absolutely no way to try to make something going here with this sort of a chop. Incredible. Crazy stuff. Nice. Joe Brown. Good job, brother. Good job. Looks like a little bear flag to me. at the moment. We've obviously gonna have to get a rejection of this 945 to do that. God, crazy stuff, guys. I really am not liking this price action at all at the moment. It was not any better from that midday today. From the midday today wasn't any better, but things kind of got a little worse, I guess. Looks like a little bear flag here. Ultimately, that's what it was going to try to do. Oh my god, look at that, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Oh, Order filled. Order filled.
just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place afar where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down,
All right, guys, 1 second.
I don't wanna leave this place, I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that, I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we
All right, can you guys hear me well?
where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have
I don't think some of you guys are saying you guys can't hear me well, so not sure. Okay, you guys can hear me well. Okay, there we go. What's up, boy Pablo, man? How's it going? How's your day go? You think we end up pulling back a little more? Does look like if we can't hold this 912, guys, we end up pulling back pretty hard. Crazy stuff, guys. I mean, I don't know. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing right now, to be honest. I mean, it does nothing when, you know, I don't know. I don't understand what this market's trying to do. I missed that the whole morning, and I only started to trade midday. And then through the midday to now, it's like this market is just really acting funny. Crazy stuff, man. Slow, 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 and then it's
Order filled. Order rejected. Order rejected.
it doesn't do anything for like 10 minutes, and then all of a sudden it gets a little dumb. Boom. I don't know. I don't even know what to make out, guys. I don't even know. Oh,
Order
what a
filled.
waste. No, nope, no bueno, guys, no bueno. Just really not liking what I'm doing right now, to be honest. Just not happy at all. Absolutely disappointed at myself.
Order filled. Order filled.
I guess I went long here. I'm looking for that little decade bounce, I guess, right? At least back into the 906. I know it's kind of really tempted to try to short this market, but I mean, we're a little overextended to the downside, both in the longer time frame, the shorter time frame as well. So we may get another leg to the downside, but I think that probably end up getting bought. At least try to see ourselves back into the 910. 910 would be back into this here. Back into this level. I'm gonna try to see if I can take some, not some, but I mean the whole thing off the table on a bounce into the 905. And then I'm gonna look to see if I can actually continue shorting this market on that little pop and try to short this market, guys. I hope it's not going to end up pulling back right now as I speak. It's always been like that. If I try to short this market right now, this would end up getting a bounce, right? I mean, it's obvious. It's overextended to the downside now. How deep of a pull are we gonna get? We obviously nobody knows, but I mean we're kind of overextended. We got a nice little support here into the 880s. So I'm kind of expecting just a little bounce, but we'll see. This could be the lower low, guys. This could be lower low, and this could be the moment we end up flushing down like crazy. Probably back down to, I don't know, maybe back down to 29,830 maybe. What I would love to see is see this market get a little bounce, so I can try to short this market, guys, on that little pop if we get, right? That's what I'm gonna try to do here. Right? I would love to try to short this pop. That's right. The only problem is the market moves like 300 points, easy peasy, with no questions asked. Well, there's literally zero tolerance, right? So you gotta have to be really careful if you're trading. Absolutely agree. $896 ad. Oh, you went long? Oh, I see. All right, so I'm gonna look for that little bounce and look for that bounce to be short-lived. And I'm going to be looking for that little, what do you call this, follow through and extended move to the downside off the resistance zone, right? So I'm going to be looking at 910 area to be that level. I don't know if you're going to get all the way up into that. We'll see. Wow. The bounce is not acting like it wants to hold, right? It's not looking like it wants to hold this bounce. Whoa! Alright, I'm gonna move my stop to break even now, guys. I look for that little bounce back here. But I'm gonna try to add one more
order filled.
With the stop. The stop right into, oh my god, no way, no way. Don't think we're gonna end up pulling back here. No way, no way, no way. I need that little bounce, guys. Somebody try to push this market back. Ah!
Order filled.
I'm down to one now. Let's see if we can get something going here. All right, moving my stop to 8,900 area. Guys, are you sure you guys can hear me well? All right, you hear me fine? All right, there we go. There we go. All right, guys, that's a little bounce attempt. Let's try to see if we can hold this, guys, and see if we can get a bounce back to 930 now. Now that we actually broke above the 905, I'm looking to see if we can actually get a bounce back into, well, 930. 930, guys. Look for that 930 bounce. Might stop at the break even now. Crazy stuff, crazy. No, I didn't load in any accounts, guys. I was all I did was do a little do I didn't really do anything with my funded accounts. No, it's still status quo. Nothing's really changed. So obviously the counting of days, I've obviously kind of missed out the 1 day. Well, not the end of the world, it's 1 day, but I mean still kind of counts. Especially on accounts that really matters. There's a Tradify account that obviously I've got a payout that I'm kind of looking for in the next well, it was just actually today. I was supposed to be requesting a payout today, but of course I did not trade that account. The only thing I traded was my funded next account, which was also on the verge of payout. And then the legend account, but the legend account was pretty bad. Absolutely got destroyed today. From the midday, of course. All right, guys, get a little bounce. We're getting a little bounce, guys. Nice entry there. Maybe something's starting to change. We'll see if we can make something work here for us here tonight. Big Belly, what's going on, brother? What's up? How's your day, Big Belly? All right, guys, I'm gonna try to move my stop to 914 here. I'm still holding this, guys. I'm still holding this one last piece that I have here. I'm looking for that little bounce. Oh, maybe I'm asking for too much at the moment. Maybe. Do you trade Billanos? Of course I do. Of course I do. I did not get a chance to trade my Billanos. Let me just try to see if I can actually log on to my Quant Tower. I didn't trade any account on my Quant Tower Rhythmic accounts. But I'm going to try to log in right now and see what happens. Let's see. Well, I was kind of hoping I did, but it's hard to trade in New York, guys. The time difference is just a little bit too much, so I'm having a little bit of a tough time making stuff work. Yeah, so my Billanox, hold on. My Billanox account is right here. So I've got how much again? I've got $9,400. This is going to be my big payout. This is going to be my fourth one. So I think this is unlimited payout now. Unlimited payout. And we got another one here. That's $5,800, right? This is my second payout. Got another one here, 3,000. So they're all looking pretty good. I've got 3 accounts. I haven't really loaded any evals just yet, but I may have to start working on that. So, I mean, it's kind of good and bad in a way. Not everything's rosy, but I mean, at least on the stuff that really counts, I'm trying my level best to kind of hold on to it just a little longer. So, I mean, yeah, I kind of suck, but I'm trying. I'm trying my level best. Let's put it that way. StockTiger is trying. Even though I kind of feel like I'm struggling, I'm really trying to hold on to my accounts. Trying my level best, guys. It's just, but man, I'll tell you what though, this trading is just not easy, right? We all know that. I wish the trading was easy, but it's just really not the case. For you could end up losing any account that you have, even if you have like $20,000 for drawdown, you can still end up losing that account, whether you like it or not, right? For many different reasons, for many different reasons. You're not kind of protected just because you got like 10 grand of profits on your account. Like, my Billanox account that I've got all little pretty close to 10 grand. That doesn't really mean anything until I actually get an unlimited payout. Until I get an unlimited payout on that account does not mean anything. It's a paper, it's a demo account until you get your paycheck on that account. You know what I mean? So and it's tough to hold on to certain accounts. I don't know, sometimes, from a mental perspective, right? Because just because you got a lot of profits, you're kind of going, okay, well, I only want to lose so much. But then just because anyways, forget about it, guys. Let's go back into this chart right now. We're into the 914. We are kind of getting a little rejection off that 6118. I'm gonna try to move my stop. Actually, no. Hold on 1 second. Getting a rejection of the level, guys. Man, man, what are you doing? Man, completely caught this off guard, just ticking out while I was yapping, of course, as usual. Whew. Off you go. That's the bounce. Incredible, man. Incredible. Literally after taking me down. Now, if I try to long, of course, if I try to short this market now, it's obviously going to try to get a bounce, right? Maybe. beautiful bounce off that level, guys. It does kind of feel like you're trying to get a little bounce in the market, I'll be honest. I don't know if this market's kind of ready yet to give us that pullback. Or maybe not. Maybe I kind of lied. Oh well, it's already extended down. Guys, man, why is this price action so bad today? Oh, I guess not just today, but I mean, lately it's just... Well, no, I lied. Yesterday was actually pretty good during the Globex, right? Today just kind of feels like it's just so broken. Young Boy, what's up, man? What is going on, man? Thanks for asking. I'm doing all right, brother. Perfect play, what's up? Black Mamba, what's going on, man? Hoops, the white lights. Flavio Momo, what's going on, guys? Great to see you all. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming in, guys. You are always welcome. All right, let me try to long on a pullback here, guys. Let me try to long on a pullback here. Okay, that's what I'm gonna try to do. Oh, no, this is... Oh, God, no, sorry, man. I forgot to mention, this is the Legend Cup. This is the Legend Cup account, and I just realized this morning that the whole entire account is the drawdown. So I didn't realize that, and I only realized that now after getting destroyed. And so I'm kind of trying to port this, right? Try to see if I can get something going. But the starting of the Asia, it's not been that great so far. So that's really what it is. I haven't started like since yesterday and today. The only account that I traded was this account and one more. That's the funded account. One funded account out of 37 accounts. Amazing. I did not get a chance to trade anything. Yeah, absolutely, man. Oh, looks like I'm gonna get filled. Looks like I'm gonna get filled.
Order filled.
I got filled. Godzilla. All right, so let's see. Get a little dump here in the market, guys. Do we get a dump or not? Guys, but it looks like we may try to dump all the way down. I don't know, man. So far, it's kind of trying to hold, but if we can't hold this level, guys, and that's exactly what it did, I think, since this morning. Every time we try to attempt for a pullback and break it down, breaking the structure, we ended up getting a bounce. And that's where I'm kind of going to go, well, it's not looking like it wants to. It's not just ready yet to give us that nasty pullback in the market, right? It's just not ready to do that. Just not ready to do that, unfortunately, right? And we are constantly getting a bounce. So this level here, 890, is going to be critical, right? If we break underneath this initial low, then I think we have a good chance of a real solid breakdown. But until we try to do that, guys, I don't know. Yeah, see how important this level's got to be? This is a huge level, guys. 890 area. If we can't hold that level, we probably end up pulling back all the way down to the 860. Actually, not even that. I probably see this can pull back into 840s, right? 840s. So again, I'm gonna be looking for the little, maybe a bounce tent of this level now, and maybe if we get a rejection again, that would kind of be a little bit of a confirmation for a little more roll of a down in the market, guys. So far, it's not looking that bullish at all. Though, well, but it was pretty bullish this morning, I think. Well, I kind of missed out the whole entire move, but so we are constantly getting a rejection of this level. This is a 61.8 Fibonacci. So 61.8 Fibonacci, we're getting hold on one second.
Order filled.
Throw away the city lights, throw away the cars. Give me a clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want
Order filled.
jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place afar, where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone.
Order rejected.
Waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? I don't wanna leave this place, I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that, I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free.
It's playing tough to get for sure.
The light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? Follow. So follow. So if I lay down.
Let's see if we break it underneath this, guys. This could be the one. This could be the one. Took
Order
one off the
filled.
table, guys. Down to one last piece. I want to look to see if I can hold on to this, guys, into 896. That's where my stop is going to be. We're breaking underneath this, a key level, guys. Key level. We broke underneath that right now. Let's see if we get a nice little follow through, extending move into the 855. I'm already down a lot. So I'm going to trail my stop into the 890 area. Yeah, I'm going to trail my stop here, just in case we get a nice little pop here to the upside. I'm going to try to see if I can get out of this trade. Wow, look at that bounce. It looks like a little extended move, continuation to the downside. Yes, I do hit myself. Yeah. All right, guys, we're extending here. I'd like to maybe just try to take my profit here. I'm gonna exit this trade
Order
right there, guys.
filled.
I'm gonna move back to the M&Q. I'm gonna move back to M&Q, guys, and look for that level to try to hold and see if we get a little bit of a decade bounce, guys. And I'm gonna try to scale into my short position again. What's up, real estate Vancouver, man? I need some love. I need some hug, guys. I need some hug right now. I need some hug. Anybody willing to volunteer? You guys are most welcome. Maybe a V-shaped bounce. We'll see. There we go. B3 Trader volunteered to hug StockTiger. I love it. Thank you, brother, man. I needed that. I needed that for sure. Thank you so much. I was just about to say my love by mistake. I'm sorry. Hold on, I'm trying to set something up. So we get a little bounce, guys, right now. We'll try to see if we can actually try to short this market again. Oh, Kodongo, what's up, man? How many times did I warn? If we hug, people say strange things about you. Okay, all right. I'll be careful. I'll be careful going forward, sir. I hope it's okay with you. Dongo, dongo, dongo. And we'll be careful, guys. All right, so guys, man, I need to get something going, man. I'm getting tired of this now. All right, so the market trying to get a bounce. Well, we'll give it a shot, guys. We'll give it a shot.
Order filled.
Oh, I'm in a micro. Thank God.
Order filled.
I'm in a micro.
Order filled.
Oh, Kellyanne. Kellyanne's here. Kellyanne. Let's do a real giveaway, not this. All right. Well. All right. All right, ma'am. Yeah, I mean, first of all, thank you so much for your donation for sure. Guys, we're gonna have to do something else, of course, now that we got a big, massive sponsor from Miss Kellyanne in the house, guys. I tried to 100%. But where did Kellyanne go, though? All right, anyways. Man, I'm absolutely getting destroyed on this challenge. Oh, I was like, I'm looking at the first couple letters, kind of going, where's Kellyanne? But, oh, so you go buy futures trading with Kellyanne. Okay, I see. Well, thank you so much, Kellyanne, for your support. We're going to have to do something else now. Massive sponsor from Miss Kellyanne in the house, guys. A big shout out to Kellyanne, everybody. Well, let me just take that off. That little poll that I have there. What am I doing with 3 micro contracts here, guys? What am I doing with 3 micro? I thought I was like 10 micro. Apparently, it looks like I only got 3 micro. What am I gonna do with 3 micro, guys? What am I doing? StockTiger actually thinks he's gonna make a couple $1,000s using 3 micro here. Great, good stuff. Okay, so all right, 1 second, guys. I'm gonna have to set it up right now. By the way, thank you so much for your donation, Kellyanne, once again. A big shout out to Kellyanne, everybody. And let me just go ahead and set it up. I'm absolutely getting destroyed in this challenge, yeah. Never ever look for StockTiger ever again. Oh, that's a USD too, guys. Full port. I know, man. Can you guys believe that? 1 USD equals to 1.4. Like, literally lost 40% of the value of Canadian dollar right now, guys. That makes it feel like the USD is the king, which obviously it is, but 1.4, that's huge. All right, so here, AM. What am I doing with 3 again? All right, 1 second. What am I doing right now, guys? I've got 3 micro. Like, I'm gonna try to see if I can actually add some more.
Order filled.
I don't know,
Order
man. I
filled.
don't know how I ended up with 3 micro. I thought I was in like 10 or 15. Yeah, I absolutely got screwed on this challenge for sure. Humiliating. Yeah, no, I need to full port, but I want to full port, but I mean, full porting where though? I mean, these levels are pretty tricky, you know what I mean? Believe it or not, I'm having a tough time trying to even full port. I should try to full port to the long side. It just almost kind of feels like, you know, we get a little bounce. That's a pretty solid bounce off that low there, right? You guys notice that? We kind of dipped a little more. We kind of dipped just a little more, but I mean, just man, I wish I had a lot more contracts right off that bat. But well, I think we have a little bounce to go here into the 920s. I think maybe. Oh, really? Chris AS. Futures trading with Kellyanne is the best. She promoted your stream in her Discord, so new people join and subscribe. Oh, yeah, I didn't realize that. I mean, I thank you so much, Kellyanne. I didn't realize that. And by the way, I don't think I'm on Kellyanne's Discord. By the way, I don't think so. I'm gonna get in right now. I don't think I'm on Kellyanne's Discord, by the way. I don't think so. Well, I need a link. Or maybe somebody can share her link on Tiger's Discord, maybe. Anyways, for now, I do want to full port, but I just don't know which direction at the moment. So I'll try. I'm trying to long here off that 8. Trying to long off the 893. I think we still get a little bounce, guys. I'm gonna try to long this bad boy right now. All right, there we go, guys. I've got Kellyanne's Discord right now. Well, down to 23, man. What the hell am I doing? Yeah, we just can't get above this 906. Oh no, I have to go through a verification.
Every day I miss you in the most ordinary ways. I always stop and wonder what would have happened if I stayed. 'Cause without you, it's like the ocean.
Okay, so I just jumped 1,000 points, will you? Will you? 1,000 points, man. That's really all I need. 1,000 points. God, it's so slow. I mean, Asia is so slow today. Not the time to be really slow here today, guys. Today's the kind of a day we need 1,000 points, pump and a dump, right? What do you guys think? All right. Oh, by the way, I've got to set it up. Let's go ahead and do, guys. Let's go ahead and do listed giveaway. Oh no, we're pulling back here, guys. 1 second. Ah.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, man. Oh. Gets one more little pullback here, guys. We're into the 880. I'm looking for that little pullback here. Try to retest the low here, guys. Back into the 870. Yeah, I wanna take one off the table, guys, just in case. Just in case, I want to take one off the table. I can't see my screen. Horrible, guys, horrible. I'm gonna get out of the trade.
Order filled.
Oh, it's too choppy. Too choppy, guys, too choppy. Can't trade this anymore. Let's try to see. Okay, in the meantime, guys, let's go ahead and do the listed giveaway here right now. All right. All right, guys, I opened the entries. This giveaway is supported by Miss Kellyanne. Let's go, guys. Good luck, everybody. Yeah, probably end up doing another one. Oh, off you go. There's that pullback. Of course. Of course it's going to pull back when StockTiger is not there anymore in that trade. Incredible.
Fact or fiction, you picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline, you're so dramatic. It's automatic, you turn it on like magic.
Crazy stuff. All right, guys, my network is kind of crashing right now. Too much going on in the chat. Guys, don't forget, go ahead and type in exclamation tiger. Right, that's the code. Give yourself a ticket for the giveaway. Guys, I think my network is kind of crashing here. Something's going on. Something's a little off. I hope you guys can hear me well. All right, so eventually we are rolling over down. We're trying to retest the low here, guys, at 872. I think we try to get a bounce, but I think eventually that kind of fade. We end up pulling back here down. We break the low, and we have that little extended move to the downside that could potentially take us back down to the 840s. Right, so that's what I'm kind of thinking. So with this in mind, guys, I hope I'm not wrong. I hope I'm not. I'm gonna really try to get into this with NQ trade, because I'm going nowhere with micro at the moment, and obviously I've got to get something something going between now through tomorrow morning. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to trade tomorrow morning for sure. I mean, because that's when you could really try to see if I can bank, right? On the first 10 minutes of the day, massive full porting for first thing in the morning. It's at 9:30. That's gonna be wild. Yeah, that's gonna be crazy. Yeah, absolutely. All right. Are you guys ready now? I'm gonna close the entries. You guys are okay with that? You can't trade? What do you mean you can't trade? This market's going to 24. Well, that's a bit of a wishful thinking, in my opinion, which is going to be tough to do that. Oh my God. Are we actually going to break it right now? Right now, we're retesting the low here, guys. 872. No way. No way. No way. It's gonna go without me, guys. All right. Something is breaking, guys. 1 second. I've got to shut it off. I've got to shut off the quant tower. I think the quant tower is glitching everything else, so I gotta take it off. All right, so in the meantime, 871 is where we at the moment, guys, giving us that little pullback here. I need to see this a little bit later. I wanted to see a little bounce before we start to do that, but oh my god. Oh no, this is gonna go now without me. Is that what it is? This really ain't gonna go without me, right? All right, there we're trying to get a little bounce. I think ultimately, I think we break it down. I think that's what this market may try to do here today. At least into Tokyo. How many more minutes do we have for Tokyo? They pulled the order block now. There's a wall at 840. There's a wall at 840. So what does that mean? Oh, we got 17 more minutes. Well, thanks for letting me know, Sir Gimme, Point Pablo, John, what's up, man? All right, 17 more minutes to go for Tokyo. And let's try to see what Tokyo brings to the table. So far, it looks like we're trying to hold this level, guys. This 860 to 840 area seems to be a tough level to try to break underneath that, right? The market's trying to hold the bottom end of the trend line on a larger time frame, on a 50-minute chart, that is, right? Just take a look from a 50-minute chart standpoint. We're kind of holding this level pretty nicely here. I'm going to get rid of this Fibonacci. It's just things are looking a little too crowdy. You kind of can't get rid of that. You see that little level here, the bottom end of the trend line here. We're trying to hold that. We're trying to hold that. So, I just don't see how this market is gonna try to get a bounce here, try to get it back into the VWAP. I just don't see this one right now. At least right now, I just don't see that happening. You know what I mean? I think we eventually try to break underneath this 840, probably get ourselves back into the 780s. But let's see. I think Tokyo's gonna move, of course. Just gonna have to kind of wait and see what Tokyo brings to the table here. 865 is where we're at right now. Yeah, no, I've bought the new monitor. It's gonna be here today. So once it's here today, I'm gonna set it up, and starting tomorrow, yeah, you guys are gonna see a better chart, right? Because right now it's kind of zoomed in, so we're gonna have to change that to where it's supposed to be, or what it used to be. So we'll get it back to what it used to be starting tomorrow. Yeah, I'm just waiting for a delivery of the new monitor that I just got. So, no, I'm actually not. I'm away. I'm away from my house. I'm actually far away. So that's what I said. I couldn't trade this morning because of the time difference, and so I kind of had to start to trade during the midday, which obviously was a midnight here. So everything was just all messed up a little bit. But I'm gonna try to see if I can trade tomorrow morning, and try to see if I can YOLO. Right, I'm gonna have to full port at some point. Try to see if I can get something going. Oh, I didn't even see. Yeah, no, Kellyanne is way ahead. That's why I said I got a full port to give myself even a smallest chance. at least I'm gonna have to at least give it a try till the end, right? I cannot be giving up right now. That's no bueno. I can't do that. We'll port it tomorrow morning. I may go live tomorrow morning. Obviously, it's midnight here, so I may go live during the midnight here for about an hour or two and try to see if we can full port and see if we can get something going on this L Cup, right? Tomorrow morning. Oh, by the way, guys, the yeah, I mean, let's kind of try to worry about the financial crisis a little later. You know, the market is just not ready yet to even give that a chance. So, you know, we keep hoping for a financial crisis, and then all of a sudden the market keeps pushing higher and higher. And next thing you know, we are like 33,000 points up from where we're at today. So, and we're still looking for financial crisis here. You've got to be kidding. Now, somebody mentioned about financial crisis, not me. We got a lot of people on YouTube saying it's wow, we're gonna get a massive crash in the market. I mean, that same people who mentioned that has been saying that for over 6 months now. Over 6 months, guys. And every time we get a couple thousand points pullback, they're like, yeah, I told you. But guess what? The very next day, we got a 3,000 points bounce. My hat, I could take it off, but I mean, it looks kind of messy. So, hold on 1 second, guys. Is this what you're looking for, guys? A different tiger? No bueno, no bueno. Ti amo, everybody. Ti amo. Oh, no, you... Hey, liquid trades? Get the hell out of here. Now. All right, guys, I'm going to have to put it back on now, guys. Well, I cannot deal with that crap anymore. With all that comments, I cannot read those comments, guys. I can't do that. That's a little too much. Well, next time you guys know what's going to be, I'm going to have my mask on. Guys, my network's kind of crashing here. Not stable. Can you guys actually hear me talk, or is it actually glitching? Can you let me know if I'm actually glitching or not? Hey, where's that guy who said I look freaking old? Where's that guy? I gotta get him out of here. Oh, I lost him. That guy got lucky here today, for sure. Damn you, man. I can't find you. You got lucky. You say something like that again. All right? You say something like that again. You know what you're gonna get, right? Guys, I'm not gonna read the chat anymore. I'm not gonna read the chat. I'm only going to look at this chart and my big red PNL right in front of me. Guys, are we gonna try to get a bounce in the market, guys? Into the we just obviously got to bounce off the 840. Guys, by the way, we're gonna have to go ahead and do the giveaway, right? That's been sponsored and supported by Miss Kellyanne, so we're gonna have to go ahead and do that right now, or we do it a little later. Well, we'll do one now, and we'll do another one right after Tokyo. Okay? How about that, guys? We got 8 more minutes for Tokyo, so we might as well just go ahead and do the giveaway, right? Once again, I want to thank Kellyanne for her support to the channel. A big donation. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've actually got a donation from somebody. A long time. Thank you, Kellyanne, once again. So we are going to go ahead and do... I'm going to close the entries, right? That's the first thing I'm going to have to do. All right, good luck, guys. We got a little over, I think we got a little over 400 entries right now. Of course, I guess, including all the bots, I guess, right? I hope not, but yeah, 373 entries right now. I'm going to give you guys 30 seconds to enter. 30 seconds to enter, guys. Okay. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. All right. Closing the entries now, guys. Good luck, everybody. All right, good luck, guys. I'm gonna pick the winner. And again, you got 45 seconds to let me know that you're here with us, okay? 45 seconds to let me know. Oh no, what am I doing? Okay, 45 seconds. 45 seconds, but I gotta have the timer on right now. Timer on. All right, guys, I'm gonna call out the winner. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Picking the winner. First giveaway. The winner goes to Daddy123. Daddy123. Let me know you're here. You got 45 seconds. I think Daddy123 is here. I think. I saw him chat. Make fun of my my look. Oh, he is here. Okay, there we go, guys. He is here. We got a winner. Our first winner of the day, supported by Kellyanne, goes to Daddy123. Congrats once again. So the giveaway goes to Daddy. So I'm gonna have to, of course, have you DM me right after the stream is over, right? So I can go ahead and take care of your account. That's one. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do another one. Another one. Well, you guys all love listed, so we're gonna go ahead and do listed again. Let's go ahead and do it again, guys. All right, so I did set up a new listed account giveaway. So you guys are gonna have to type in again, !Tiger, of course, right? We'll close the entries in about say 10-15 minutes. Right after we get into Tokyo. In the meantime, guys, good luck. And yeah, let's go. Now I'm getting ready to play the Tokyo, guys. Tokyo in about 3 more minutes. Let's see what Tokyo brings to the table, guys. We're dipping and dipping underneath this 850, which is obviously a major key level. We actually broke underneath that key level, by the way. So we're going to have to really try to reclaim that pretty quickly here. We probably end up pulling back all the way down to the 700s. I would say 800s first, and then probably end up pulling back to the mid 700s too. If we can't hold this, guys. Oh man, you know, we've been talking about this since we were at 880, and I've been calling out that the market looks pretty weak, and yet I'm still not in a trade. Pretty incredible, guys. Sometimes kind of mind-boggling that I keep talking about my trade idea and I'm still not in that trade. The market ends up just keep pulling back here down into the 840s, guys. We're already into 840s, guys. We've been talking about this. Crazy. Yeah, I'm looking for entries, guys. I'm looking for entries. I need something going. I wonder what Tokyo's gonna really bring to the table, though. I am very interested to find out what it's gonna be. What is Tokyo going to bring? We've got exactly about a minute and a half, guys. Minute and a half. And the market just keep grinding down. I mean, with no bid at all. So I don't... What is Tokyo going to do? What I'm going to try to do actually is, if we try to get a little balance off Tokyo, I'm going to try to short the market, guys. And this is what I'm going to try to do. And what are those levels I'm looking at? Wow. We literally had a pullback of how much again? Since open, guys, since open... We had over 200 points pullback, guys. Over 200 points pullback right from the start of this Globex. I would have easily got a couple $1,000s with too many contracts if I actually held on to that trade. Like, what are you thinking, StockTiger? And what are you actually thinking? It's crazy. Crazy. All right, so 867. All right, so I think it's Tokyo. Guys, the Tokyo's open now, guys. Tokyo's open. All right, 1 second. I'm gonna have to zoom out on this. Well, it's not really doing anything, guys. We're getting a little pullback here at the moment. What is it gonna be, guys? What is it gonna be? I need some big moves. I've got to be on the right side too. Oh my god, look at that, guys. Pulling back to the 830s. Oh no. I am tempted to try to long this. Ah.
Order filled.
Guys, I went long, guys. I went long. I wonder what it's gonna be now, guys. I went long. Oh! Oh! Guys, 1 sec. Oh! Guys, but what an entry. But the thing is now, are we gonna try to hold this or not? It looks pretty, look pretty juicy here to the upside, everybody. But just never know. Just never know, guys. Let's not get too excited too soon. You see, this is exactly what I was talking about. There's just no steam. Let's try to see if we can get a bounce into the 880, guys. 880 here. Come on, 880, please. Give it to me. Give it to me. Get it up there, please. Ugh. Ugh. Move. Take me higher. Please. Do we get a chance, guys? Man. Oh my god. I knew it. What a nasty rejection off that level, guys. Ah. There goes my monies. My monies. Oh no. No way. No way I'm gonna get stopped out right here, guys. No way. Absolutely no way. Come on, just give me that little bounce, man. Let's go. Come on. At least take me back to 870, please. 870. That's really all I'm asking right now. 870. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to exit this trade right now, and I'm gonna try to go back to the micro and look for that micro trade here, guys.
Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna try to use micro here. And what I'm looking for right here is the bottoming process to kind of play out. Maybe a little W pattern that could potentially take us back into the VWAP, okay? So with that in mind, I'm going to try to be a little aggressive here. Right, that's what I'm going to try to do here. Try to go a little aggressive. And look for... the exit would be probably down into the 820. I'm going to try to exit my trade down to the 820, guys. And hopefully my entries, my average entry will be down into this level. Right, this area here. All right, this is what I'm going to be looking for. We could be in a little bit of a bottoming process, short-term bottoming process. And look for a little bit of a W pattern to kind of play out. I may be wrong, but if I'm wrong, then I get stopped out into the 820s, guys. What does that mean? Tyler trades 4 days. How's everyone doing today? I'm assuming everybody else is doing fine, with an exception StockTiger for sure. Tiger, you can't hold too long. John B44. I mean, I love holding my trades. I'll be honest, guys. I love. Part of my bad habits were holding onto my trades for too long. And now this kind of a market that we're getting right now, it is just really too choppy. We're not getting the follow through. So naturally, you know, we're not getting a lot of follow throughs. And if you get beat up all the time because we're not getting the follow throughs, you're going to try to cut it loose. You're going to try to get out of your trade a little bit sooner, then hold on to your trades a little longer. You know what I mean? And that's exactly what I'm trying to do here. But that's why the market's tough. You know, this market has been tough for a while now. And look, we're getting a nice, beautiful bounce here. And I've only got one micro. Did this market really have to get a bounce off this level right here? Like, was it too difficult to maybe give us that little pullback here? Try to retest the low and try to get a bounce? I don't know, you know? First of all, first thing first, man, I've got to get back into green, which obviously that's not really the case at the moment. I'm down still $800. But I mean, as long as I can be on the right side of the trade, I think I do have a good chance. But I mean, I cannot take a stab because I just don't know which direction it's gonna go. And of course, I do not want to get into a red trade, right? I was down about $1,700, man. I was down about $1,700. We found a way to get it back, a portion of it. So I don't want to give everything back again, and all of a sudden I'm kind of trying to fight to go from red to green. It's gonna be tough to do that. So we got a nice, beautiful bounce off that 850 area. By the way, that's going to definitely be very interesting. Should I try to I could try to long. I could. It's a little too late. A little too late. To try to long right here, guys. A little too late. I'm only up 80 bucks. 2 micro. Oh, I actually have 2 micro. Well, it's better than 1 for sure, but I mean. It is a little too risky to try to port this. But it looks like a nice beautiful bounce we're getting here, guys. I kind of like what I see here at the moment. A little overextended on a shorter time frame, but on a longer time frame, still looking to see that little break to the upside. So let's say we get a little pullback here down into maybe the 870s, and I'm gonna try to see if I can add onto this trade to the long side, guys, and then see if we get a nice little push into the VWAP. Would be nice if we do that.
Order filled.
All right, so getting a little pullback here, getting a little pullback.
Order filled.
All right, getting a little pullback here. This isn't gonna be a start of a bigger pullback. I hope not. I hope not. Oh no.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, what a nasty rejection of that 880 though, guys. What a nasty rejection. Guys, what is that sound? Where's that sound come from? Hold on 1 second, guys. I gotta take a look. Oh, okay. Maybe I passed. Okay. That's the pass sound. Oof. That's the pass sound. No, I don't have any other open position other than this one. That's the, I think that's the take profit trader. Just passed. No, ASI fly. It's just a pass sound.
Order filled.
Take profit trader looks like it passed, so that's the sound it's kind of making. Yeah, it's the same sound. Yeah, that's right. All right, so here 860. We're getting a little pullback here. I'm looking to see if this is gonna be the W pattern. Give us that a bit of a bounce, guys. I'm gonna try to long on this now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I got 12 contracts here. 12 contracts, guys. I'm gonna look to see if I can add some more. This could be it, guys. This could be it. All right, I've added. I'm gonna try to add some more on that pullback into the swing low. I hope we don't get a flush down. I'm gonna get pretty
Order
mad
filled.
if we end up doing that. This market has been very irrational here tonight. And I hope this isn't gonna get any worse. Oh my god, you kidding me? Really? 1 second, guys. Oh my god. Oh, can somebody help me, man? Oh no. Oh. Kospi is down 3.5%. Well, I don't know if Kospi is gonna really matter too much, though. I mean, every time this is what it's gonna be. It's starting to get really annoyed. God, I can't just get anything going right now, guys. Every time we try to get it back, we just give back again. We get it back, we give back. We take, give, take, give. It's just been that all night. Got really annoying. Seriously. Now it's gonna go all the way down. And I will be absolutely destroyed on this trade. Incredible. Yeah, I don't think I can. Well, I'm not gonna have a hard stop at all. There's really no point. No hard stop, guys. I'm just gonna have to hold it. Yeah, no hard stops. No hard stops. Should I add some more here?
Order filled. Order filled.
Tokyo has been very bad lately.
Order
and
filled.
I've been just literally getting destroyed by Tokyo all freaking day. Believe it or not. That's how it's really been.
Order filled. Order rejected. Order rejected.
I don't think this
Order
is gonna
rejected.
survive here. God. Oh. I know. That's what I was saying, Amaral. That's what I've been saying. We've been trying to short this market right from the start, and all of a sudden, I'm kind of sitting here, getting destroyed. No, this is not a Tradeify challenge. This is a legend. This is a legend trading cup challenge. And we are in the round 32, by the way. Round 32. StockTiger up against Kellyanne. And I'm down big. Kellyanne's done a great job. She's up a lot, I think. I haven't checked the latest one, but I think she was up like $5,000 or something like that. So, while I'm down about $4,000, so, and that's what I was talking about. I've got to full port this thing tomorrow morning, but I guess I may not be able to full port tomorrow morning because I may not even have this account by tomorrow morning, I guess. Oh, I see. So I just got an email from Take Profit Trader that I got two pro accounts. So I passed 2 pro accounts. Man, what a nasty, man. Down $1,000, man. This is a joke, man. This is a joke. Absolutely annoying. Crazy freaking stuff, guys. I mean, look at this. You've got to be kidding. Every time, this is what it's gonna be. Really fucking annoying.
Order filled.
I'm absolutely annoyed. I'm annoyed. Yeah, no, this is not my eval. This is not my funded account. This is just the the tournament account, the legend. Sorry if I did not mention that earlier. Well, at least I hope I have this account still by tomorrow morning, so that way I can try to full port, give myself a last chance. Who knows? I mean, nobody knows what it's gonna be tomorrow morning. A lot of things can change, guys. We've got over 12 more hours to go tomorrow morning, so a lot of things can change. Oh, is that a W pattern? Maybe. Yeah, and by the way, guys, we got a lot of promos, right? A lot of you guys are getting 55% on the listed accounts. By the way, a lot of you guys are actually getting that, and we also have. Let's take a look and see. I think there was a email from Legend as well. They rolled out a new promo. They rolled out a new promo that is giving us, for the limited time offer, they're giving us a 60% off, guys. Oh, so that's a BOGO deal. So you get a 60% off on the apprentice accounts. And on top of that, it's a BOGO deal. So you get 1 + 1, right? So you're essentially paying. So with the legend accounts, guys, right now, you're paying 60% off on the apprentice accounts. So I don't know what that means. That's let's take a look and see how much that is. I'm gonna have to go to Legend and try to find out myself. I think it's $16 per account. You're getting ×2, and the activation is 75. So you're definitely getting a good deal. That's limited time. They just rolled out today. Yeah, you're right. That's $23. So that's $23 on Apprentice 50K. And you're getting, oh my God, look at this pullback here, guys. What a nasty rejection of that. So that you're essentially paying about $12 per account. $12 per account. Right? It's end of day drawdown as well. Actually, that's a good deal, guys. I didn't realize that, but hey, it's a limited time offer, right? So you're getting $12 per account because you're getting 1+1. That's one. Once you pass that account, guys, I think I'm going to load in a whole bunch of accounts on this bad boy right now, to be honest. Right? That's $75. A limited time activation fee, it's 75. So that's 75. And each of these accounts is going to be like $12, right? 12 plus 75. That's, if you do the math, it's a little less than $90. So I think that's a pretty hot deal. So what would the 150s be? The 150s will be $25 per account. $25 per account, guys. Because you're getting BOGO deal, right? 1+1. I'll share the link. Guys, man, that's crazy deal, guys. Crazy deal. It's limited time offer. I don't know when it ends. It ends. No, it doesn't say when it's gonna end, but it is going to end pretty soon. I will share my link. Where's my setting? Where's my link? There we go. I'll share my link. And that's a link for Legend. I think the deal really kind of makes sense, I'll be honest. And you also have a 30% off on the elite ones too. So the elite ones are no activation fee accounts, right? That's really what oh guys, wow. Guys, once again, I'm gonna have to take some profits off the table. Let's go.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh.
Order filled.
Oh, Godzilla. All right, guys, nice little pump here to the upside. Can we finally get some follow through? Can we finally, guys, try to get some follow through in the market, guys?
Order filled.
Can somebody try to push this thing once and for all? Like one follow through, guys. That's really all I want and what I need. One extended move. One extension is what I'm looking for. Is it that difficult to get that? Is it that difficult, everybody? All right, I'm gonna take some more off the
Order
table,
filled.
guys. Wow.
Order
yes.
filled.
Let's go. All right, guys. Enough of that little bit of Ooh. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Looks so beautiful. Too much beautiful. Wow. This is very nice, beautiful, sir. I'm gonna take one more off the
Order
go.
filled.
One more table. One more table. What the hell are you saying, StockTiger? You got a little excited too fast. Taking one more off. Right now, guys, I got 10 micro contracts. I'm gonna take one more off right now. Right now. Right now. Take it off. Now. Take it off, guys. Yes, sir. Take one more off. Yes, just take it off.
Order filled.
Alright, guys, so I've got 9 contracts. I gotta try to hold this. I'm gonna try to hold this, guys. Wow, man, look at that pump. Holy, guys. I'm gonna have to create a short for this. Short video on this little pump, guys. A huge, massive trade, the biggest trade of the year. Loaded in 20 micro contracts off that 840. What a beautiful entry. Found a nice, beautiful bottom off that 840. The market ended up getting a bounce into the 900 area. That's 70 points right off the bat. And still holding the 9 contracts. Let's go. Wow, what a beautiful bounce, man. That's massive. I would have cried if I was actually not in this trade, by the way. Thank God I'm in this. Thank God, guys. Oh. Oh. You are a very good trader, sir. You are a very good trader. Guys, man, that was a beautiful what do you call this? Not entrance. That was a beautiful entry off the 840, guys. What a pump, man. Oh, man. What a nice, beautiful pump, guys. We're still holding this last little trade. I'm still holding this, guys. I'm still holding this bad boy right now, guys. We're back into the trend line that we obviously broke underneath that earlier. We got a strong bounce off that level, guys. We're now getting a pump into the 910. Let's try to see if we can actually hold this, guys. I'm going to look to see if we can actually break out of this now. And see if we can actually get into, I would say... Where's that Fibonacci? 1 second, guys. I'm going to get rid of this Fibonacci. I don't really need that anymore. Let's get rid of that as well, guys. What a beautiful W pattern that actually played out. That actually played out, by the way. So I'm going to be looking for that bounce maybe into, I would say... We could see a bounce into the 30K for all you know. Back into 30K, guys. Maybe we try to get a bounce off the VWAP. You know, minor little pullback, you know, into the VWAP. And then maybe continue extending into the 30K. We'll see, guys. We got a nice little support here. Oh, 1 second, 1 second. Maybe I should have taken some profits here. Or maybe not. I'm still holding this. I hope this isn't going to be all the way flush down. I'm going to get absolutely mad if we actually end up pulling back here. Down to where we entered. I don't think that's really what it is. But you know what? Just in case, I'm going to have a hard stop. Right? I'm going to have a hard stop here just in case, guys. Into the 878. And see how this thing kind of plays out. That was very, very intense, guys. We held... I hope you guys caught that big move to the upside. How many of you guys actually caught that move, guys? How many of you guys actually caught that move to the upside? I'm gonna try to take one off the table, guys, right here.
Order filled.
Oh,
Order
guys,
filled.
I'm down to 7 contracts. Down to 7 contracts here. I'm gonna try to take one more off the table, guys. I'm down
Order
to 6
filled.
now, and I'm gonna move my stop to break even. Whoa, really? Oh, I didn't realize a lot of you guys actually caught that move to the upside, man. That's crazy. Wow. DJ? You got it too? Mr. Vote Trades? Anonymous? Wow, crazy. Wow, guys, man. That's awesome. Wow. The elevated life, $7,000, man. You're crazy. Crazy trader. You're off $1,300 on an Eval Lucid Pizza. Let's go, man. Awesome job, brother. Awesome. Boy, Pablo, you caught it too? Nice, man. Doug Gamey, what's up, man? What no want? Pradesh. Oh, yeah, you are short. Oh, you're a big fader of StockTiger, right? Is that you? You probably faded at the wrong time, I guess. Long from 820. Wow, 820. Ooh, you had a way better entry than I did. Awesome. Boy, Pablo for the win. Let's go, man. All right, so what are we going to try to do here? I wonder if we're going to be... I wonder if we are going to try to hold this. 900 area. Do we get a rejection of this level? Well, we'll find out, guys. I'm actually going to move my stop here into the 870, guys. And I'm going to look to see if we can actually continue moving here to the upside. And this could just merely be a little minor pullback. Just maybe a little minor pullback. Right? A little bit of a consolidation before we try to give us that another leg to the upside. You know, once you have stuff like this kind of play out, a big, massive move, candle, you know, usually what would that mean is we get another leg to the upside too. With that explosive move to the upside, we get another one that could potentially look like this. We may try to get a little more pullback here. That could potentially try to fake traders to kind of get out of their long positions. And then we try to push back into the 30K. I think ultimately that's where it's trying to get to. But who knows? I mean, nobody knows. But that's what I'm kind of thinking at the moment. I'm gonna move my stop here to 860. I kind of pushed down a little bit, guys, giving myself a little bit more room to the downside. I hope this isn't gonna be a flush down, man. If we literally just give everything back now, well, obviously, I mean, the market has been very irrational, but I mean, I will be surprised though if we end up pulling back all the way down. I'm gonna move my stop to 857, and that's it. If I get stopped out, I'm gonna get stopped out, but I'm giving myself a last chance, right? I'm giving myself one more chance. If we end up stopping me out there into the 850s, man, I'm gonna get absolutely mad. Should I try to add some more? I mean, I could, but I don't want to, though. I already have 6 contracts here. Just in case we end up pulling back, I do not want to be giving everything back again to the market, right? This is really not the time to do that, so. Lucky Mon, what's up, man? Did I send you the link? I did share the link right now. I'll share it again. I'll share it again. This is the link to the Legends trading. So their offer right now is you get 1+1, right? So you're essentially paying about $15. Sorry, not $15. You're essentially paying about $12, $12 to $13, right? For 2 accounts. Oh, sorry, for 1 account. Right, I'll share that on Discord right now, too, as well. It's on Discord right now, guys. I did share it to you guys. All right, let's try to see if we can get a little bounce, guys, right here. I would love to see a little bounce, man. Just give me that another leg to the upside. Looking tough. Do I want to add some more? Now I'm getting a little tempted to add some more here, guys, by the way. Oh, did USA actually score? Oh, are they actually playing? Wow, man. I think USA is going to win, guys. USA is definitely going to win the Belgium. Technically, they're a better team, too. I think USA is a better team. The Belgium team has been struggling, in my opinion. Another goal? I thought they were 1-1. 1-1. So we are getting that little bit of a rejection here. We're grinding down. Do I want to just take it off? Man, I was up a lot. Now just literally giving back quite a bit of profits here. I don't want to get shaken out too. Guys, I'm gonna hold this, guys. I'm gonna move my stop all the way down. I'm just really gonna try to hold this trade. I'm just gonna hold it, guys. See what happens. Oh my god, did Belgium actually score? Damn. Man, I'm just giving back all my profits that I just gained. Incredible. I'm really freaking annoyed. I mean, it's pretty obvious. We had a bit of a resistance off that 29,900 area. Oh my god. Like, are you kidding me? Really? What a nasty price action here, guys. What a nasty price action. I'm going to try to add some more here. Freaking pissed me off. What if I try to add some more here, guys? I'm a little tempted, but what a breakdown. Crazy stuff, man. Okay, I'm gonna try to add some more here. Shit, guys. I want to try to add some more.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Alright, guys, I've got 15 contracts now. Where's my stops gonna be? Well, oh my god, guys, fuck. I swear to God, man, this market would not really want to give to StockTiger at all. Crazy stuff. What an incredible push down. I should have showed it right from
Stop
that.
filled. Order filled. Order rejected.
Oh my god, I'm out.
Order filled.
Fuck. Oh.
Order filled.
I lost words to describe what this market is right now, guys. It's just, I'm really annoyed. I don't even know what to tell you guys, man. I'm really freaking annoyed, to be honest. I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now, guys. I literally held on to my trade right from the high, looking for that minor support, minor little pullback to kind of hold. And this is what I get, guys. This is what I get. Even though I've taken some profits off the table, still, I mean, that's a pretty nasty trade. Just literally giving a big chunk of the profits back to the market with no freaking reason. Even though this market's kind of acting funny, still, I mean, really not happy with this price action that we're getting. I'm really annoyed. Really annoyed. We went all the way back down, guys. That's literally 80 points pullback. 80 points pullback. just giving everything back. Really, that's really what it is. I'm gonna try to take some profits off the table, guys, here. God, man, this price action is really annoying me. I'll be honest, guys, really annoying the hell out of me. I'm hoping that we get a little bounce, though. Shit. It's gonna be an all-night pullback here. Just kind of literally go back all the way down to the 780s. Oh, fuck you. Seriously.
For some reason I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where
And I had enough of this crap. Had enough. Absolutely enough.
sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay there where you
Order rejected.
Well, I don't deserve to be in a green trade at this point. I don't deserve it at all. Really don't deserve it at all right now with this, with the way it's kind of done. The execution part, incredible. Crazy, crazy stuff.
sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young.
I have no idea why we dumped, guys. I have no idea. I mean, somebody tell me why we dumped in this market. That's 8 points bounce and 8 points pullback. Obviously, yeah. I mean, we have that resistance. I see that. I see that resistance off that 910 area. But even then, I wasn't expecting this much of a pullback. Literally giving all the gains back, right? That's really what it is. All the bounce kind of faded all the way back down. We are literally down to where it started. Crazy. I think the market's kind of saying, well, don't even try. Don't even try. Oh, we got a Samsung earnings too, so I guess that's probably the reason why we're getting this volatility in the market. Maybe Samsung has a bad earnings, maybe. We were just literally so extended to the downside, guys. I don't know how much of a room do we have. We could still continue pushing here down. Don't get me wrong, but I mean, I think maybe try to get a little bit of a bounce. But man, I'm just not happy with this, guys. I don't think I deserve to even be in this competition, to be honest. With the way I'm kind of managing my executions, it's pretty awful. So I don't know, just not. Not being okay, guys. Not happy with this. Even though it's a tournament, it's still not happy. And yeah, no excuses, guys. No excuses. You have this is you against the market, nobody else. So if you're down a lot, it's all you. It's nobody else, right? I'm just a little bit upset with how things kind of played out today. Not just today, but I mean last night as well. Last night I was trading this account, and all I really had to do was kind of trade the New York cash, and I didn't do that because obviously a bit of a time difference, but that was really the way to go because I didn't realize. I mean, that's another thing. I didn't realize we had 25,000 drawdown. So then, you still have a lot of room to kind of hold on to your trades in the morning. You really had to find a way to play the market. It was kind of really chopping, which is right somewhere here, I think. Crazy stuff. Anyways, let's try to see if we can get a little bounce here, guys. I know we're kind of a bearish at the moment. We're getting a constant rejection off that resistance level. I see that, but I mean, let's look for that little bit of a deadcat bounce, if you will. That could potentially take us at least into the 860s, and then we'll see what happens from there. But I've got 20 contracts here. I'm going to try to see if I can take some more off the table as we try to get a bounce back into the 860s. But definitely not happy, guys. Definitely not happy. I'm going to try to see if we can retest the VWAP, guys. I don't know if we are going to be doing that. I've been wrong here again. I was looking for that minor pullback. Of course, we ended up pulling back all the way back down. All the way back down into my entry, of course. So I wouldn't be surprised if we end up getting a flash down here. Maybe a rejection of this 860 area. So we got another pivot that we're gonna have to keep an eye on, and that's right here. Right, so right here. And that kind of coincides with the VWAP, right? We got the VWAP here. We got the VWAP here in that 880. And we got the nice little pivot here as well, kind of waiting in that area too. So I think this is going to be an important area. Maybe we try to get a bounce into that level, try to retest, and try to reclaim that. And then if we hold, then I think that could now finally try to take us back into 30K. Maybe this is merely just to take all the longs out of the system, maybe. Who knows? Maybe. So we just got a little bit of a deeper pullback just to take the longs out of the system. And now that everybody's out, excluding StockTiger, it's going to try to bounce. I'm still holding this. I think if we break it here, if we break it down, then yes, I think I don't think I'm going to be trading anymore on this account, to be honest. There's really no point. I'm going to have to go back and trade my funded account so I can actually get a payout. That's a lot of confidence. Oh, not really. That's not really a lot of confidence. I don't know how you feel that way, but the trend is obviously bearish at the moment. Yes, that's true. The trend is definitely bearish. It depends on the USA team. Oh, what a nasty rejection, guys. Off that 840, man. What a beautiful rejection. Great stuff, man. Great stuff. I cannot believe what is happening right here. I just can't believe this. Incredible. No, I tried. Of course I tried. I tried to at least give a little challenge. This is not even a challenge anymore. Down about 5,000 overall, right? Yeah. I'm still holding. Yeah, I'm still in this trade. Still kind of holding and looking for that little bit of a bounce, at least back into the VWAP retest. It is possible, but it is possible. Overall, like you guys said, it's still looking a little bearish. I see that, yeah. I need a massive bounce. Guys, the 250Ks, by the way, guys, the Apex 250K accounts ends today. Ends today, guys. The 250K accounts end today. Don't forget, everybody. And you have until next week to pass those accounts, right? You have still up until next week to pass those accounts. But the $17 on a 250K accounts end today. For Apex, by the way. Yeah, thanks for reminding me, Kazumax. The market trying to get a little bounce, but I'm not overly too excited at the moment. It could go either ways. We could end up pulling back here. If we get a bounce, at least we get a bounce back into the VWAP, I think. If we try to hold this, that is, right? If we hold this, then I think we get a bounce back into VWAP. Well, Norway is a good team. Don't get me wrong, but I would not want to put my money into Norway for sure. You know who I think is a really solid team this year? I think it's Spain or France. I think one of the two teams will probably win the World Cup. I think. Holland is a solid team too. It's going to be Colombia. What are you talking about, man? Well, don't get me wrong. Colombia is a strong team too, but I mean, still, I think it's Spain. I think it's Spain. It could be Spain potentially, or France. France, Spain, Argentina has not been. Oh yeah, by the way, Spain, France, or England, right? Argentina has not been that great. I'll be honest, with an exception, Messi. I think the team as a whole has a lot of weakness. I think. I think the dark horse, I think it's Morocco, guys. Morocco is definitely a dark horse. I think they're going to really challenge these bigger teams. Pretty scary, guys. Okay, so anyways, I honestly, I'm not sure what this market is going to try to do, but we're the Tokyo is behind us, and the market's trying to just play a bit of a range. I'm still looking for that bounce, guys. If we end up pulling back, I'm still gonna hold it and see how it kind of goes all throughout the night. The only problem, I guess, the only catch is that I cannot hold. Well, I cannot add to my position because the max is 20 contracts, right? 20 micro or 2 mini contracts. So there's only so much I can do to try to I wish I was able to add to my position. That would mean I'm gonna have to downsize my trade, so I can actually give myself a little bit more room to kind of add, just in case we end up getting a deeper pullback in the market. But yeah, that's right. Don't forget, guys. I mean, we got what is it again? Yeah, the 250s. No, the Apex. So the gold trade is back with Apex. So you can trade gold with Apex now. So guys, I'm still holding onto this trade. Oh, Lucid Pizza, which account did you pass? Did you pass the 250 accounts? That accounts are freaking a bit tough to pass. You're gonna have to take some time to try to pass that account, or at least try to play the volatility right at the start in the morning. What's going on, man? Manmood 299. What's up? I'm doing all right, brother. Thank you so much for asking. I think we're trying to hold, so I'm gonna hold this trade and see what happens. In the meantime, I'm still holding onto this trade. Why do you see the moon in my chart? I'm sorry. It was actually Mars, not moon. The moon's down here, and this is Mars. Nice try though. So let's man, I am gonna still hold this, guys. I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold it into the view up. If you end up pulling back here down, I mean, so be it. I'm gonna hold it, guys. I'm gonna hold it. No bueno, guys. I need some nice little push.
Fact or fiction, you picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic, you're so dramatic. It's automatic.
Oh my god. Oh, this is a crazy price action. This is like the most annoying price action I've seen in a while at this time of the day, to be honest, guys. Crazy.
Order filled. Order filled. Rejected.
Now it's gonna get a bounce because I'm short. Ah, what a perfect timing to get into short position right there at 8:30. Crazy. This price action is a joke.
Order filled.
What the hell's going on?
Order filled. Order rejected.
Ah.
Order filled.
Yeah, unfortunately. Well, yeah, it's 25K. You only have two mini contracts you can use, but that's equally the same for everybody. So right, it's a fair play. That's good. Yeah, that's a lot of drawdown. You're right. Yeah. So it comes with a little bit of a different strategy that you could kind of try to use. This sort of a drawdown that you have, I think kind of works out nicely if you trade right at the start in the morning, because you got so much of rooms. Yeah, right. So right at the bat, it's 8:15 is where we're at the moment. Let's see if we get a little pullback here down. I'm looking for that little flush down if you can into the 780s, and I'm gonna look to see if I can actually try to long on after a pullback here, after getting filled on a pullback into the 780s. We have a chance of a rollover down that could really give us that retest into the 780s, guys, and that's where the support is, right? You see, there's a lot of support here in this range, so I'm looking for this pullback here into this area, and then that area to be to become a support, get a little bounce off that level. I'm hopeful that we get a pullback into that level before we start to get a bounce. Well, back into this. Where's all this drunks? I gotta get rid of it. Lightning Tiger, you've passed your evals. Nice. Waiting for good job, brother, man. I'm so happy for you, bro. Good job, man. Awesome. Should have your funded accounts tomorrow. Yeah, you should. By end of tomorrow, you'll get one funded account. Good job, man. Good job. All right, guys. So we're getting that little pullback here. That's what we were kind of thinking about. So my entry here 825. I'm gonna move my stop to break even. Look for this little pullback. Oh man, we ended up pulling back into 803. Ended up getting a bounce off that level. I'm still looking for a pullback here into this 780, guys. I don't know if you're gonna be getting that right now. Oh, is it gonna stop me out before we try to get a pullback? I just want this one last flush down, guys, before we start to try to go long. I would like to see this thing pull back here. It just really kind of feel like, the pullback isn't over yet. Even though we are getting into this little bit of a bottoming process here right now. You see this little bottoming process. We're trying to get a constant bounce attempt off this 830 to 800 area, right? So okay, so there we go, guys. We're getting a little bounce here right now. What do I do? Get out or still holding this thing? Looks like I do have to get out of this trade. Crazy stuff, man. Yeah, I'm still holding this because I'm gonna hold it. I'm not gonna have a hot stop anymore. Just kind of hold this and look for this little pullback here into the 780s. I'm gonna try to add instead. I'm gonna take my chances, guys. Don't really have a lot of time. $8.25. Are we going to finally get a little pullback here? Yeah, I'm still looking for a pullback here into 780s. Let's see if we get it, guys. If we get a bounce instead, well, it is possible. We're hitting that bottom, guys. Bottoming process kind of, I think that's really what it is at the moment. We may get a W pattern too pretty soon. If we keep holding and holding and holding, we better really quickly try to break it down underneath the 800 area and get a nice, beautiful flash down. Nice Crypto Soul Child. Thank you for using my code for Legends Trading. Nice, guys. Good stuff, man. While doing that, Crypto Soul, did you actually get the BOGO deal? It's 1+1, right? So you get 2 accounts with it. Is it automatic? Did you actually get 2 accounts automatically, or did you get 1? Because I'm gonna load in some accounts myself, so I wanted to ask you. Might as well. We are all pulling back all night. Well, not sure. Watch. Well, thank you, brother, for using my code for Apex. And I thank you, everybody, for using my code as well, guys. Across all the major firms. Take Profit Trader. Also going at 40%. Lucid at 50%, guys. Tradify at 40%. Across all the accounts. Apex 90%, and you got a special pricing for the 250Ks, which will be down to $17 on a 250K account. Once you pass, you pay $177 for an activation, and you have till next week to try to pass. But that $17 evaluation on 250K account ends today, ends tonight. FYI, everybody, for 250K special pricing at $17.50 ends tonight. Today is the last day. I am not sure if they're gonna bring it back again, but today is the chance to do it. And then gotta have to try to pass within next week, though. FYI, everybody. I will we'll announce the winner in about oh, hold on one second, guys. Yeah, we were doing giveaway, and I forgot about it because thanks to the market, guys. I'm gonna blame it to the market for making me forget about the giveaway, right? All right, so we're about to do the giveaway too. This is the second giveaway of the day, guys, and this goes. This is the listed 50K account. For the BOGO deals, for guys, if you're loading the Legend trading account, all you have to do is like what Crypto Soldier's Child said. BOGO, just put two 50Ks in your cart, right? And use the code Tiger, of course. And you get 2 accounts. Nice. I like that. I'm gonna be loading in myself. So good job, bro. I love it. The activation is $75, so it really kind of makes sense. I kind of like that, and I of course I like the 250s too on the Apex as well. Because I'm gonna close the entries, by the way. I'm gonna close the entries. And I'm going to call out the winner. Oh, guys, nice little pullback here, man. Nice little pullback here. I'm hoping that we get a little more extended move here down, guys. Maybe we try to finally break underneath that now. Finally try to break underneath that, guys. Can we do that? Can somebody talk to the market and try to pull it? Oh, my God. Well, just as when StockTiger got a little excited, this market really does not want to see StockTiger get excited at all, right? I think that's really what it is. Well, I gotta sound very depressed every day, right? So the market kind of feels bad about me getting nuked all day long. Well, I'm gonna start to sound very depressing because I think this market is just not helping me out at all. All right, guys, I am I'm absolutely getting destroyed by the market. I am absolutely getting destroyed by the market, everybody. This could be the end of my trading journey. See? See? This is what you get, guys. I mean, see? I told you. I told you. I told you. Shimoji are getting a nice little pullback here. Oh, man. I wish this market can forgive me once. At least once. This market is never forgiving. Can I get into a winning trade at least once tonight? Can we try to do that? I mean, I feel like crying. Crying like a little baby. This market is playing very hard to get, and there's that definitely a little bit of a problemo. Well, we're having a tough time to try to break underneath this, right? I mean, this is going to be a critical level. This is a massive level, 780, guys. I'm telling you, 780 is a massive level. We break underneath that now, I think we have a good chance of a pullback, another 60, 80 points into the low 700s, I think. It really boils down to the 780, I guess, at this point. And the market's kind of, well, the market's trying to break it. But, man, the bulls are not giving up, guys. The bulls are like, the bulls are trying to hold, really. Yeah, it is static, but on a funded stage, right? Not on the eval, right? It's not on the eval. So even if you're up, like, I don't know, even if you're at $10,000, your drawdown's only 6,000. So if you're red on unrealized, then yeah, you probably end up blowing that account, even if you have 10 grand worth of profit on that account, right? So I'm assuming you're talking about the funded account, not the eval. Yeah, that's right. So it's static once you get over, just like somebody mentioned as well. Yeah. So Traders Nest, thank you for responding back to Miss Pen. So yeah, Traders Nest is right. I'm still down $1,000, guys. Believe it or not, it's crazy. I mean, I'm trying to be big fat green here tonight, and struggling to get from red to green. That's really incredible. Well, I guess I really had a chance to do that a couple times today, and literally just I don't know, man. I just made myself. All right, guys. I'm gonna close the. I've closed the entries. I'm gonna pick the winner here for the giveaway. You got 45 seconds to let me know. I want to thank Kellyanne for her support. The big fat donation here tonight, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and do the giveaway here. Hold on one sec. Where's that? If you okay, I'm gonna give you guys 1 minute to enter, right? Enter exclamation tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on this giveaway. Right, I'm gonna close it in about a minute, a little less than a minute. So good luck, guys. Okay, so we get a little pullback here, but I need a much deeper pullback, of course. If I try to get out of this trade now, I probably would imagine this is gonna flush down pretty hard because I'm not in this trade anymore, of course, right? That's just how it's always been. Okay, so it looks like we're breaking down 802 here. I'm looking for a pullback here into the 780s, guys, 780s. I'm gonna close the interest now for the giveaway. Good luck, everybody. Let's call out the winner. You got 45 seconds to let me know that you're here with us as well, right? Don't forget. I'm gonna pick the winner. Good luck, guys. Bernadette AD. 45 seconds to let me know you're here, Bernadette. And guys, if you were giveaway winners in the last couple days, I wasn't there. I was kind of away from my computer, so give me a shout tonight, right? So I can go ahead and take care of your accounts too, right? Right, all the giveaway winners for the last few days, let me know on chat so I can go ahead and take care of your account, okay? And in the meantime, Bernadette, you got a little less than 20 seconds to let me know you're here. If you're not, we're gonna have to redraw. Look for the new winner, guys. We're pulling back here. We're pulling back. I kind of like what I see here. 790, guys. We're breaking underneath that right now. All right, guys. Time is up, and he's not here. Time is up, and he's not here, guys. I'm gonna close it. All right, he's not here. Okay. So we remove the winner, and we're gonna redraw again. The same process. Okay, so here we go, guys. We're getting a little bounce. I mean, I think eventually, we try to break underneath this. I wish I had 2 contracts. Oh, guys, we're breaking down. We're breaking down. We're breaking down, guys. This is the big one. We could flush. If we can't hold this, guys, we could flush this. We could flush, like I said again, into the 750s. I should take one off. Well, I only have one? I thought I had 2. Oh, you little silly willy. Oh!
Order filled.
Oh, I got filled. Oh, my God. I got filled. I got filled. I got filled. Falafel. I like that. Guys, we got a nice little break to the downside. So I'm almost kind of back to the break even. Man, this has definitely been a tough one to try to get back to break even. Almost pretty close to break even now. We're breaking underneath this key level. It's crazy, man, crazy. It almost kind of feels like an all-night pullback here tonight. Guys, man, good job, brother, man. You guys absolutely slayed this market. I mean, it's okay if I'm down a lot, but I mean, to see you guys do really well tonight, I'm grateful and happy for you guys, man. I'm telling you, all day long. I'm down. That's fine. But to see you guys do really well, I'm very grateful, guys. I'm gonna pick the new winner. By the way, you got again, same thing. 45 seconds. Let me know you're here with us, okay? We're gonna try to pick the new winner. Good luck, guys. The Trader's Nest. Wow, Trader's Nest? Guys, 45 seconds, Trader's Nest. I'm gonna have to let you... Trader's Nest, let me know you're here. Oh my god, I can't believe that, guys. Guys, good things happen when you support when you support your fellow traders, man. Trader's Nest, are you here? Well, let me just take a look. Oh yeah, he's here, man. Oh my god. All right, man. Trader's Nest, man. I'm gonna have to have you DM me, of course, right? Same thing. I think I have your... Yeah. I think we are already a friend, so just DM me so I can go ahead and take care of your account, okay? Tonight. Let's do it tonight. A lot of you guys, if you're a winner in the last few days, give me a shout tonight, okay? So I can go ahead and take care of your account. All right, looks like 2 giveaways done. I want to thank Kellyanne once again for her donation for the giveaway, and I want to congrats to all the winners here tonight. The market still continues to pull back here. I'm gonna still try to continue to trade my what do you call this, my Legend Cup account, and try to see if I can actually turn this red to green, number one, and see if I can actually get something going here tonight as well. So with that in mind, I want to thank you to all of you for being here with us tonight. Of course, every single night we go live 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, and would love to see you guys back tomorrow as well. And good luck, guys, man. Have a safe trading day tonight. The market definitely looks rough, and good luck tomorrow morning as well during the New York Cash. And we'll see you guys back tomorrow night at the same time, 5:30. Until then, everybody, man, I hope you all have a great night. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Everybody have a great rest of the day. Thank you. God bless everybody. Love you guys, man. Take care. Bye, guys. Bye. Sayonara. Take care, guys. Have a great night. I'm down a lot today. It's okay. It's all right. Forget about StockTiger for tonight. Take care. Peace, everybody. Take care, guys.